Jai Hind, dear students of class 12 Geography Optional. Very first, I will request you all to come to school as nowadays they are carrying the practical classes, practical lessons are going on. So it is better to come, but I am trying little bit to impart with you that you can prepare your practical files. Today we are going to discuss lesson 2 data processing. You have learned in previous chapter that organizing and presenting data makes them comprehensive, right? So you have to write this part also. It facilitates data processing. A number of statistical techniques are used to analyze the data. So the statistical techniques you can see here. These are measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, and measures of relationship. We have to write about this. Then directly measures of central tendency. What is this? The measurable characteristics such as rainfall, elevation, density of population, level of educational attainment, and age group vary. It is right. If you want to understand them, how would we do? We may perhaps require a single value or number that best represents all the observation. This single value usually will lie in your center of distribution rather than at its extreme. So from here you have to write the statistical techniques used to find center of distribution are referred as measures of central tendency. Little bit you have to write. Then move further. Measures of central tendency. You have to write about all these. So here you can see that mean is the value which is divided by summing all the values and dividing it by the number of observation. Simply you can see median. Median is the value you have to mark up to this and you have to write it. Like last year class 11 as you have made your practical file with ruled and white sheet, plain sheets. Same way, the drawing of diagram will be there on plain sheet and graph as well as writing work should be there in ruled sheet. So median is the value of rank which divides the average array series into two equal numbers. It is interdependent of the actual value. Arranging the data in ascending or descending order, then finding the value of middle ranking number is the most significant in calculating the median. इतना लिखना है. Then mode is the एक line में लिख सकता हूँ the maximum occurrence of a particular point or value, right? Then we are going to now see mean. Computing mean from on group data. On group data से mean calculate करने के लिए formula है mean equal to summation of x divided by n. Here rainfall data is available of 7 districts of Madhya Pradesh. You can see here the name Indore, Dewas, Dhar, Ratlam, Ujjain, Mandsaur and Sajapur. And here you can see x bar, it means the mean summation, that is the sum of series of measures. Small x, the raw score in a series of measures. Summation of x, that is the sum of all the numbers, and n means number of measures. So here you can see the number of measures, that is total 7. So we have to find out, as we are getting here normal rainfall in millimeter, you can say with the district name. And here we have to find out indirect method, we have to find out d. What is d? D is a deviation from assumed mean. Here we have 800 is assumed as a mean. D is deviation from the assumed mean. तो 979 से 800 घटा दोगे तो कितना आएगा 179. 1083 से 800 घटा दिए 283. Likewise you can do it and then you have to sum up it, and this part also you have to sum up it. Simply said, we are going to calculate the mean with the table 2.1. Summation equal to mean equal to summation of x minus the summation of x divided by n. Summation of x, this is summation of x, you can see 6484 divided by 7. ranges are there, and you will get the answer 926.29, right? The same way here you can see 884, the deviation has come. Then how the result we get 426.29. So here we are using another method. This is the mean equal to a means assume subtracted constant जो घटाया गया है जिसको assumed किया था प्लस समीशन ऑफ डी डिवाइडेड बाई एन। तो यहाँ पे मीन इक्वल टू हो गया 800, सभी वैल्यू से 800 को माइनस किया था प्लस 884 देखो इस टेबल में आया है, इसका समअप करने पे डी का तो 884 डिवाइडेड बाई 7 7 रेंज है, तो आपका रिजल्ट 800 प्लस 880 डिवाइडेड बाई 7 will get again 926.29 millimeter. So you have to write computing of mean from group data. Direct method you have to use, that is x bar equal to summation of fx by n. Here you can see x bar is the mean, f means the frequency, x means the midpoint, n means the number of observation, that is summation of f. So here wage rate of a factory worker. Example given, compute the average mean of factory workers using the data given in table 2.2. So here the classes are given and the number of workers that is given here. So next you have to prepare a table in which you will show classes, frequency. Then you have to get midpoint. 50 और 70 के बीच में midpoint क्या होगा? अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट डिवाइडेड बाय जोड़ के डिवाइडेड बाय 2 ऐसे करेंगे। मैक्सिमम 50 to 70, 20 का है 120, तो इसमें 10 कितना फ्रीक्वेंसी है इसका, मिड पॉइंट क्या मानेंगे 60, यहाँ 50 और 70 है, दोनों को जोड़ो 120 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कितना आ गया 60, 70 90 160 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 divided by 2 80, 90 and 110 200 divided by 2 100, 110 plus 130 240 divided by 2 120, and 130 150 280 divided by 2 140. So you have got the midpoint मिल गया आसानी से। Then fx, x दिया हुआ है fx तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 60 का 10 से, 80 का 20 से, 50 का लाइकवाइज, तो आपका fx मिल गया। इसका भी यहाँ नीचे सम अप कर लो, समीशन ऑफ fx 10,160 आ गया, और यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी का भी सम अप करिए, ये है 99, समीशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी 99। फिर डेविएशन देख रहे हैं x माइनस 100, इट इज x माइनस 100, 60 से माइनस 100 करोगे तो माइनस 40 आएगा, 80 से माइनस 100 करोगे माइनस 20 आएगा, 100 से 100 0, 120 से 100 माइनस करोगे 20 आएगा, 140 से 40। फिर क्या करेंगे एफ डी, यू हैव गॉट डी, यू हैव गॉट एफ, यू विल मल्टीप्लाई, सो इट विल कम 400 400 40 into 10 20 into 10 20 0 into anyone 0 20 35 multiplied will come 700 and 9 and 40 360. Then you have to find out u, 0 के साथ 0 रहेगा, और u निकालने के लिए जनरली 1 2 3 ऊपर के लिए जो होता है नेगेटिव साइन होता है, और नीचे के लिए प्लस का साइन, तो ऊपर जो भी आप FU निकालोगे वो क्या निकलेगा -20 -20 0 35 18, तो आप जोड़ देंगे माइनस माइनस को 40 और 35 15 जोड़ेंगे 53, तो 53 से 40 घटा देंगे कितना आ जाएगा FU 13। इतना टेबल बनाने के बाद और हम लोग को मालूम है N है 29। अब क्या करेंगे यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला, इसमें आया था रिकॉर्ड 10,160 10,160। अब सीधे सीधे यहाँ पे मीन इक्वल टू समीशन ऑफ fx डिवाइडेड बाई n, 10,160 डिवाइडेड बाई 99 102.6। उसी तरह इनडायरेक्ट मेथड से निकालेंगे, यहाँ पे मीन इक्वल टू अज्यूम्ड मीन प्लस माइनस समीशन ऑफ ft डिवाइडेड बाई n। समीशन ऑफ fd कितना है summation of FD is 260 and N is total number, frequency is 99. So here you can see now, assume mean 100 माना था plus 260, that is the FD, divided by N, 99. N is here 99, frequency, total frequency N. Are you observing this? So by putting this, we will get the same result. Here you can see that we are finding the same result. 260 divided by 99 will come 2.6 approx, and it will be 102.6. So the same result we are getting. So note, the indirect mean method will work for the both equal and unequal class intervals. Now median. Median is the positional average. It may be defined as a point. You have to write about this. मीडियन के बारे में थोड़ा सा लिख दीजिएगा. Computing median from here, calculate median height of mountain peaks in parts of Himalayas using the following. Raw data available है. क्या करेंगे? Median M, capital M, may be calculated from the following step. Arrange the given data in ascending and descending order. We are using ascending order to do it. Apply the formula, value of bracket में n plus 1 divided by 2, the item. So here, how number 1, you can see that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values are given. So how we can calculate? 7 plus 1. The formula is n plus 1. N means total. Total number 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So we will get 8. 8 divided by 2 will get 4. So the fourth item. Fourth item in arrange series will be the median. So here you can see that fourth item is this. So we are getting the median, right? Likewise, arrange the data in after that computing median from group data. The formula is median equal to L plus interval divided by frequency in bracket N divided by 2 by C cumulative frequency. Here you can see M is the median for group data, L is the lower limit of median class, I is the interval, F is the frequency, N is the total number of frequency, C is the cumulative frequency. So data set is given to you, you have to finalize it. ये data दे दिया रहेगा. अब दोनों आपको मिल गया. अब क्या करेंगे? फ्रीक्वेंसी उतार लोगे और इस फ्रीक्वेंसी से क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 3 में 7 जोड़े 10, 10 में 11 जोड़े 21, 21 में 16 जोड़े 37, 25 में 8 जोड़े 45, 45 5 50. तो समीशन ऑफ एफ कितना हुआ? 50. टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी का नंबर कितना हुआ? 50. और कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मीडियन क्लास किससे करेंगे? n by 2. तो इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे हम 50 को 2 से. कितना आएगा? 25. ये लाइट किसमें करेगा? 37 में. इसको हम लोग मीडियन ग्रुप 80-19 वाले को मीडियन ग्रुप मान लेंगे. अब मीडियन ग्रुप मानने के बाद इसका कैलकुलेशन करेंगे हम लोग. एज मीडियन नंबर इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय n by 2, 50 divided by 2, 25 in this case. As shown, count into the cumulative frequency distribution f from now top towards the bottom until the next value is greater than n by 2 is reached. जो 25 से ज्यादा होगा उसमें इसको लाई कराएंगे. इट्स एग्जांपल 25 which falls in class interval 40 to 44, but actually it is class interval 80 to 90. Misspent. So cumulative frequency 37, thus cumulative frequency are pre-median class of 21. Actually frequency of the median class is 16. median class का जो frequency है कितना है? देखो 16. cumulative frequency आ गया total वहाँ पे 37. The median is then computed by substituting all the values determined in the step 4 the following equation. Median equal to L is the lower limit plus interval divided by frequency under bracket M minus C. What is M here? M is the median. Now you can get 80. Where it is 80? Now see. दिस इज द लोअर लिमिट। मीडियन ग्रुप का लोअर लिमिट क्या है 80, और 80 में क्या प्लस कर रहे हैं 10। व्हाट इज 10? दैट इज अ इंटरवल, 10 का इंटरवल है, राइट। डिवाइडेड बाय 16 मतलब डिवाइडेड बाय f होता है। हियर यू कैन सी I इंटरवल डिवाइडेड बाय f है फ्रीक्वेंसी। फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है इसकी मिडिल क्लास की 16, उसको डिवाइड किया बाई 16 अंडर ब्रैकेट 25 क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी माइनस 21। 21 क्या है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी के पहले जो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी आती है उसको लेते हैं, और इस तरह से माइनस करके जब हम इसको देखेंगे 80 प्लस 5/8 इंटू 4 अगेन 80 plus 5 divided by 2. Each step you have to write 80 plus 2.5. You'll get 82.5. So up to this, then mode. What is mode? The value occurs. Simply you have to write this value that occurs most frequently in distribution is referred to as mode. This much only. Then you have to show the example 2.5. Maximum occurrence. Calculate the mode for the following test score in geography. So score is given. To find mode measures we are arranging in ascending order as given below. Ascending order में किए the measure 61 occurring 3 times in series is mode. जो सबसे अधिक बार आया वो क्या हो गया mode हो गया। इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं as number in the similar way data set it possesses the property of being unimodal. Example 2.6 देखो, calculate the mode using the different sample of 10 other students. इसको भी अरेंजिंग ऑर्डर में किए और देखे 11 3 बार है, 82 3 बार है, तो इट कैन बी इजीली ऑब्जर्व दैट मेजर्स ऑफ 11 एंड 82 बोथ आर अकरिंग 3 टाइम्स इन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। दोनों 3 3 बार आए हैं, द डाटा सेट देयरफॉर इज बाई मॉडल। इसमें दो मॉडल है तो बाई मॉडल हो गया। इफ 3 values have equal and the highest frequency, the series is the tri-model. Similarly, if occurrence of many measures in a series makes it a multi-model. However, when there is no measure being repeated in a series, it is designated as without mode. Up to this we have discussed. Next class we will discuss more about this comparison of median etc. Thank you. Have a nice day for today.